A very cheerful morning to all my little angels. How are you, children? Yes, and what about your studies? Oh, it's going on. Yeah, it's going on speed. Yeah, very nice. And are you taking care of your health? Are you taking fruits, juice और मम्मा जो दे रही है वो आप सब खा रहे हो ना? आप मम्मा को तो ऐसे तो नहीं बोलते हो ना, मम्मा दिस थिंग इज़ नॉट फेवरेट, आई वॉन्ट ईट दिस वेजिटेबल. Like Manu, her favorite scarf was red color. Do you remember? Have you gone through the reading? Yes, children, you had to read and read and read and write also. This will give you more and more practice, okay? Because practice makes a man perfect. So today our topic is Manu's scarf reading practice. So today we will be doing reading. Are you set with your textbook? Let's start, children. So my dear students, are you all set with your textbook and notebook? Yes, from this chapter your worksheet part will be to underline the new words and write down in your notebook. In this way you will learn all the new words and you will find the spelling very easy. So children, let's together start with Manu's scarf. What's the chapter heading? Manu scarf. उसके scarf के बारे में है ना ये chapter? Yes. So you have gone through the video. We have gone with the explanation also. We have gone with the chapter based worksheet also. So today we will be starting with reading. Tomorrow is Manu's birthday. She is trying on her new dress and red scarf. Manu has many scarves, but this is a favorite. Suddenly she hears her mother's call, "Go and play in the garden for some time. Go and play in the garden for some time." Manu changes her dress but leaves the scarf on. It is windy. She says to herself, "I must tie the scarf." Manu is in the garden. She is enjoying herself. She does not notice that her favorite scarf is slipping away. This is slipping away. It is falling down. Now it is lying on the ground. Now it is lying on the ground. Okay, got it, student? Soon a strong wind blows the scarf away. It is now lying on the pavement. People are walking over it. Manu's favorite scarf is becoming dirty. Suddenly, dark clouds cover the sky. Manu runs into her house. It starts raining. The rain washes Manu's scarf. It becomes clean but is still wet. In the morning, the rain stops. The sun comes out from the clouds. It dries the red scarf. I am now clean and dry. I am now clean and dry, says the scarf to itself. Says the scarf to itself. Soon another strong wind sees it. What a beautiful scarf! What a beautiful scarf, says the wind. Let me blow it. The scarf flies with the wind and lands on a fence. This fence is around a house. It is Aarti's house. Aarti is Manu's best friend. She is getting ready to go Manu's party in the evening. She has a big book of stories and a birthday gift for Manu. It is in a brown paper bag. Aarti wants to wrap in. She can't find any red wrapping paper. She can't find any red wrapping paper. Aarti is sad. Aarti is sad. Aarti leaves for the party with her mother. Aarti leaves for the party with her mother. On her way, she sees a scarf on the fence. Children, are you with me? No? Yes, very good. Mummy, she says, look. Mummy, she says, look at the scarf there. It looks like Manu's favorite one. It looks like Manu's favorite one. Aarti's mother takes the red scarf and ties it around the big book. They reach Manu's house. Aarti wishes Manu and gives her the gift. Manu looks at the gift in surprise. How we will pronounce this word? Surprise. Aarti wishes Manu and gives her the gift. Manu looks at the gift in surprise. Got it, children? How you have to pronounce this word? What is this? What is this? She looks carefully. She looks carefully at the scarf. My favorite scarf. My favorite scarf. She screams in joy. She screams in joy. She gives Aarti a hug and her mother a big smile. She gives Aarti a hug and her mother a big smile. Hug, gale lagana, and mother a big smile. This is the best present I have ever got. This is the best present I have ever got, says Manu as she ties her favorite scarf and blows the birthday candle out. And blows the birthday candle out. I am really happy today. I am really happy today. So am I, says the red scarf happily. So am I, says the red scarf happily. Okay, so this was the reading of the chapter 9. Yes, kiska scarf tha? Manu's scarf. The girl was Manu. She lost her scarf and she was able to get back by her friend Aarti. Okay, so children, you were able to read along with me? Yes. And what's the worksheet part for you? You will be writing all the new words in your notebook. Okay children, and what about your preparations? बहुत ही अच्छा करना है ना फर्स्ट सेम में. वेरी नाइस चिल्ड्रन. एंड वन मोर थिंग बेटा, डू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. Eat fresh food and fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. Okay, till then have a great time. God bless you बच्चा.